Hello and welcome to the official JoomUnited channel. In this video, we're showing you how to unlock the true potential of your WordPress site by connecting WP Media Folder with Vultr Object Storage. This integration automatically offloads your media files, drastically reducing your server load and boosting your site's speed and scalability. We'll walk you through the entire setup, proving that professional cloud offloading doesn't require advanced technical skills. Let's get started. Curious about Vultr Object Storage? It is an enterprise-grade cloud storage solution that is fully S3 compatible, offering flexible, affordable, and high-performance storage globally. For WordPress users, Vultr is an ideal choice for media offload because it provides high durability, virtually unlimited scalability, and transparent, cost-effective pricing. Compared to traditional hosting, offloading your media to Vultr ensures that static assets like images, videos, and large files are delivered directly from their global infrastructure, freeing up your web server to focus solely on dynamic content and application performance. This combination of affordability and high performance makes Vultr and WP Media Folder the perfect pairing for optimizing your site. Let's explore the integration. Now, let's connect Vultr Object Storage with WP Media Folder. Once you've successfully created your Vultr account and provisioned an object storage instance from your Vultr dashboard, accessing your connection credentials is incredibly straightforward. Simply navigate to the overview page for your specific object storage instance within Vultr. Here, you'll find everything you need: your S3 hostname endpoint URL, your S3 access key, and your S3 secret key. These are the three pieces of information that link your WordPress site to your Vultr cloud storage. To integrate these, head over to your WordPress dashboard, go to Settings, then WP Media Folder, and click on the Cloud and Media Offload tab. From the list of cloud providers, select Vultr. You'll then see dedicated fields for Access Key ID, Secret Access Key, and Hostname. It's simply a matter of copying these credentials directly from your Vultr Object Storage overview and pasting them into the corresponding fields in WP Media Folder. Once these are entered, the connection is established. This simple copy and paste process makes linking your WordPress site to powerful cloud storage remarkably easy. With the access key, secret key, and hostname now securely configured, the next step is choosing the specific Vultr Object Storage bucket to receive your media files. In the WP Media Folder cloud settings, the plugin will automatically list the buckets available in your Vultr account. You simply select your preferred bucket. Or, if you need to organize your files further, you can always create a new bucket directly in your Vultr dashboard, and then refresh the selection here. Once the bucket is chosen, the connection is complete. Below the bucket selection, you will find three standard settings that directly impact how your offloading functions. The first one is Copy to Vultr. This is the core functionality. When enabled, every file you upload to your WordPress media library is automatically copied to your selected Vultr bucket. You should use this feature to ensure your files are served from Vultr, which reduces the load on your local server and is beneficial for improving site speed and performance. And then we have Remove After Upload. This option pairs perfectly with Copy to Vultr. Once a file has been successfully copied to Vultr, the original file is deleted from your local server's media storage. This is highly recommended for sites with large media libraries to save local hosting space, cut costs, and prevent the creation of duplicate files. The third is Attachment Label. If you prefer to keep your local file copies but still want a way to visually distinguish which files are being served from Vultr, enabling this option adds a small marker or label to the file within your WordPress media library. This provides clear management insights without removing the local copy. Finally, below these standard controls, you will see the advanced settings and actions. This section offers powerful tools for bulk operations, such as importing all existing files from your Vultr bucket to your media library, copying files between different Vultr buckets, or retrieving all Vultr media back to your local server. These advanced actions give you complete control over your media migration and management. It's important to understand how media offload differs from standard cloud integration, a feature you might already be using. In my media library, you can see I have several folders connected to Dropbox. These standard integrations connect my WordPress site with a third-party cloud, allowing me to browse those files directly within a distinct section of my WordPress media library. However, the key difference is that while these files are shared and accessible, the main media library, the default area where files are uploaded, is still stored solely on my local WordPress server. Media Offload fundamentally changes this system by diverting the default local storage to a third-party cloud. In our case, we've switched that primary storage to Vultr. Let's demonstrate by uploading a new file to the main library. As the file uploads and processes, you will see a small label appear above the thumbnail, clearly indicating that this file is now being stored on Vultr, not on my local server. To verify this, we can jump over to the Vultr dashboard and navigate to our object storage bucket. As you can see, the new uploaded file and all its automatically generated WordPress thumbnail sizes are present here. The file type, size, and time modified all perfectly match our WordPress activity, confirming that the offloading is working in real time. This instant redirection to Vultr is excellent for sites with large amounts of media because it preserves your local server space, frees up your server's processing power for dynamic tasks, and ensures your media is delivered quickly and reliably from Vultr's high-performance infrastructure. The files you've offloaded to Vultr Object Storage are now completely liberated from your local server constraints and ready for any use across your WordPress site. Whether you are using them in a page builder like Elementor, embedding them in a standard Gutenberg block, or displaying them within a complex WooCommerce product gallery, these files function seamlessly without any lag or accessibility issues. This setup offers significant, quantifiable benefits. First, it drastically lowers your local storage strain and reduces hosting costs, as your large media library is now comfortably resting on Vultr's affordable, high-capacity cloud. Second, and most importantly, it dramatically improves page loading speed. Since Vultr specializes in delivering assets quickly, your visitors experience faster load times, which is a massive boost for user experience. This performance gain is also recognized by search engines, indirectly supporting your SEO efforts by improving core web vitals and site performance metrics. Essentially, offloading with WP Media Folder and Vultr lets you manage your media efficiently, scale your site without fear of storage limits, and ensure your content is always delivered at maximum speed. To summarize, integrating WP Media Folder with Vultr Object Storage is the ultimate strategy for high-performance WordPress sites. We have shown how easy it is to connect the two platforms using simple copy and paste credentials, instantly moving your media storage off your local server and onto Vultr's scalable, high-speed infrastructure. The result is dramatically reduced server load, faster page loading times, and a highly efficient media workflow that supports both your user experience and your site's technical SEO performance. The WP Media Folder plugin, with its robust folder management, is available for $49 per year. However, to unlock the powerful media offload capability we demonstrated today, you need the Cloud add-on. The best way to get it is through the plugin add-ons bundle, priced at $69 per year. This bundle is the best deal as it includes the Cloud add-on, covering Vultr and multiple other services, plus the Gallery add-on and the Photographer add-on for complete media management. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the JoomUnited channel for more expert WordPress tutorials, and let us know in the comments which cloud service you plan to offload to first.